Welcome back, guys. So let's create something new right now. So what is new that I want to create right now? I want to create a bulk email from Google Docs. So come to blank document right here and let's try to create a bulk email. How do you do that? So you could create a bulk email draft from Google Documents. So look at all these pre-made templates. Aside from all these pre-made templates, and you have your Gemini right here, you could actually click on more, and having to click on more, you see templates. You have a lot of templates right here. Look at an image draft template. So here we have an image draft template. You could actually click on that. Then when you're finished writing the email, you can easily convert it to Gmail draft by clicking on this button. So you could see right here, you could convert it to a Gmail draft. So let's make sure you can write an email right here. So this is so you could input the people you want to write them to. So you could say I want to write to this person. You could actually add the people you want to write to. So let's just add few people and let's see how that goes. So you could add more people that you want to write to. All you have to do is to add them, and once you click on your add, it brings different names. All you have to do is to search for people, and you have people. All you have to do is keep adding them. So let's say we've added the people we want to send to. We've spoken about CC and BCC. So you could have a carbon copy or you could have a blind copy of your mail. People you want in your carbon copy, you put them. People you want in your blind copy, you put them. Then you could have the subject of the mail right here. So you could write anything, and you could use Gemini to write the mail as well. So you could say, help me write, create a cold email, create a cold email to be sent to these Udemy instructors for a promotional offer. Okay, so you could create the email contents here on Google Docs. Then after you're done creating, it's just a sample. You could create a lot of things. It's just a sample. So you have the draft, the full draft. It creates the full draft. So you have to do is to insert, then you can edit. So we have a new full draft without even using that template. Then we could actually take this out. We could take this out. So let's say you don't want this. All you have to do is to try to delete this. So I'm going to just try to make sure this is deleted, so I could delete that full table. So that would be the first, and you could actually use Ctrl Z. So you could use Ctrl Z to bring back what you don't want. So here we have this, and you have your dear instructor. You could edit whatever you want to edit. Then if you want to preview it on Gmail, all you have to do is to click on this. Then it takes you to a Gmail draft where you're going to be able to send this particular template you just generated on Google Docs. Then it sends directly to your mail. Could you see how helpful this Google Gemini Pro is? So you could actually take it to your mail. So this is how assistive and how helpful it could be. So it's not just about you prompting it to be as brilliant as ChatGPT. It can be assistive, and this is what we are having right here, as you could see. So if I had add those people, I would have seen them right here. So you could actually do the edit, then have your email sent. It's as simple as that and as basic as that. So that's how to draft email on Google Docs, having to send it on Gmail. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.